In market, there are always new products coming up every day, but nothing is 100% perfect. I needed good quality mobile holder with charger for my bike. That's much important for bikers. So I checked and researched online for good quality mobile holder which matched my purpose. Then I came across this Bobo fast charging mobile holder. There were ratings of more than 1000 people. After reading the specifications and ratings of the users, I made my mind to order it because it was almost 50% off on that holder. But we also get to know from the users who have given lower rating about the product so that we can take some precautions. After seeing lots of positive reviews, finally I decided it to order. Now it's the time to order it.
2 days later. The next day.
So now let's open this. Yeah, oh, this is really tough to open. Now it came. Whoa. So this is the card, VIP club again. So I've ordered the silver color one. I think this is the mirror. Again, high quality plastic, build quality excellent. Here are some more mounts, and here it is, the holder. So you have to unscrew it like this to open it up. So you can see it's expanding, and we have two zip ties over here. So again, these are the box contents that you get. So I am packing this all because I need to get it fitted in my bike. So I'll tell you cassette fittings and all will be there, but I thought it will be metal, but again it's a kind of plastic build, but build quality is good, man. And you can see the switch here, waterproof switch. Here you have that USB 3 charger here. This supports fast charging, that's why I ordered this one. So as usual, I packed everything back onto this, and putting back all the items is not that easy. The box was opening up a lot. Best part is this gives 1 year warranty, but yeah, once after fitting and everything is done, so I'll tell you how this performs, and this is basically will be my first impression. After a month or two only I can properly say about this product. Is it worth under rupees 2000? Let's see, because the actual price of this holder is around 3500 and I got this for 1800. As you have seen, when I ordered 2 days before, you have seen the price, it was around 1800. This is having Qualcomm Quick Charge 3 support, which is really great. So let's see whether this thing works or not. Is it truth or fake? Let's find out. So I am going out to the mechanic shop right now to fit this. So let's go out quickly. Again, once I come back home, I'll give you the live demonstration. Does it support fast charging on my Asus 6G or not? I'll meet you on the bike. Till then. So I am out now, guys. Just the mechanic who does this work is nearby my home, only just 2 kilometers. So I thought of making a small motor vlog again. So I am riding it slow as of now because I don't have external mic support. So wind noise aega, and again office hours right now, so little bit of jam. Filled, man. The roads are really filled. I don't know how will be the audio coming. So I am very nearby to that place. Yes, I totally forgot. So I think some work is going on here. Where is that shop? There's Royal Motors. So either we'll get the work done. So this is the shop. My bike is standing over here, this one, and let's now meet the shop owner. So now I am with the shop garage owner Shamim Ahmed. So he'll tell you what are all the accessories that are available.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम है शमीम अहमद और मेरा रॉयल इनफील्ड का स्टोर है जो कि साउथ दिल्ली छतरपुर में है, नियर बिटवीन कुतुब मीनार मेट्रो स्टेशन और छतरपुर मेट्रो स्टेशन के बीच में पड़ता है। जो कि मेट्रो पिलर नंबर P12 लगता है। तो मैं अपने बारे में ये बताना चाहूँगा कि हमारे पास रॉयल इनफील्ड से जुड़ा सारा सामान मिलता है। हम रॉयल इनफील्ड से जुड़े सारे काम करते हैं। रॉयल इनफील्ड का जेन्युइन स्पेयर पार्ट रखते हैं और बाहर हम काम करते हैं, और रॉयल इनफील्ड की तमाम सारी एक्सेसरीज़ भी रखते हैं। आप जो मांगेंगे वो मिल जाएगा। भैया हमारे पास आए हैं, भैया को हम अपनी वर्कशॉप का डिस्क्रिप्शन में सारा लिंक वगैरह डलवा देंगे, एड्रेस वगैरह, और भैया को मैं अपना कार्ड भी दे दूँगा। और हमारा भी यूट्यूब पे चैनल है, हमने भी अपना यूट्यूब चैनल अभी स्टार्ट किया है जिसका नाम है रॉयल मोटर्स दिल्ली। आप उसको भी सर्च कर सकते हैं और हमारी वीडियोस को लाइक करना, आप हमारी वीडियोस को देखना, अगर आपको पसंद आए तो लाइक करना, शेयर करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना। थैंक यू।
हाँ तो भैया आप दिखा दीजिए एक बार एक्सेसरीज सारी।
हाँ मैं आपको सब कुछ जी आपको दिखाते हैं। तो फ्रेंड्स जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं इधर मेरे पास अलॉय व्हील की पूरी रेंज लगी हुई है। इस वाला ये पूरा अलॉय व्हील्स लगा हुआ है, ये एलईडी वाली हेडलाइट्स लगी हुई हैं, ये पूरा ये अलॉय व्हील्स लगा हुआ है। इधर ये सारा एक्सेसरीज रखा हुआ है, चार्जर हैं, पार्किंग लाइट है, काफ़ी कुछ सामान है, सीट कवर्स लगे हुए हैं, ये नीचे अलॉय व्हील्स लगे हुए हैं, टायर्स का पूरा कलेक्शन है अपने पास, सीट्स मिल जाएंगी, ये सारा सीट्स लगा हुआ है, ये सारा सीट्स लगा हुआ है। और इधर ये लेग गार्ड्स रखे हुए हैं, लेग गार्ड्स बाहर भी डिस्प्ले में लगे हुए हैं। इधर ये सारा जेन्युइन स्पेयर पार्ट लगा हुआ है, रॉयल इनफील्ड का सारा जेन्युइन स्पेयर पार्ट है। अंदर स्टोर बना रखा है, आप स्टोर भी देख सकते हैं, ये सारा स्पेयर पार्ट रखा हुआ है अंदर हमने, ये सारा रॉयल इनफील्ड का स्पेयर पार्ट है। आप बाहर देख सकते हैं, बाहर हमने अपना पूरा वर्कशॉप बना रखा है, बाहर हम काम करते हैं, ये सारा काम चल रहा है, ओनली रॉयल इनफील्ड का ही काम करते हैं। इधर पूरी एक्सेसरीज लगा रखी है।
ये बाइक कौन सी है
भैया? ये 1980 मॉडल यजदी है, ये हमारे पास रीस्टोर होने आई है, लगभग तैयार है, बस 2-4 दिन में तैयार हो जाएगी। और फिर अगर आपको टाइम मिले तो इसके ऊपर भी एक ब्लॉग बनाने आना। गाड़ी बहुत अच्छी तरीके से तैयार कर रहे हैं हम, बाकी अभी आप देख सकते हैं किस हालात में, 2 दिन में तैयार।
Condition looks so good यार, neat condition. It doesn't looks like YSD यार, because whenever I have seen YSD, it's kind of rusted condition, but they have restored it very well. हाँ तो भैया अगर हमारे नाम से कोई आता है इधर काम करवाने के लिए, कुछ स्पेशल डिस्काउंट वगैरह मिलेगा?
बिल्कुल स्पेशल डिस्काउंट मिलेगा। आपके रेफरेंस से अगर कोई आएगा तो उसको स्पेशल डिस्काउंट ज़रूर दिया जाएगा।
A few moments later.
So still now you can see it's 7:33 and still you can see it's doing fast charging. Fast charging support is available. So fast charge is working on this here. Only when the ignition is on. If the ignition is off, then look. But what I am feeling, I am not able to see the meter as of now. But चलो कोई नहीं। But again, one irritating thing is always there. This long cable, yaar. I need to get the short cable. So finally back home, and my first impressions about this mobile holder charger from Bobo. It's great from my first impressions again. But I have to use it for a week or 2, then only I can give you my proper opinions on this. So as you have seen in the footage that it supports fast charging in my mobile, and I think for under 2000 rupees it's value for money product. You can definitely go and check out this product. Even the reviews are very positive. You must be having questions ki why did I spend too much on this mobile holder charger, right? So now I am going to answer this question. So first of all, in my Thunderbird I had a mobile holder with charger that costed me around 350 rupees, but that was not worth, because actually what happens, you know, the biggest problem of Royal Enfield is the vibrations. Due to vibration, what happened is that the rubber part, if you see, if it's there, I'll show you. I have to find out that old mobile holder. So in my old mobile holder, like whenever I was using the GPS, so 2 times it was about to fall from the holder, because holder was not that strong due to vibrations. Even my mobile is also heavy for that. So I wanted a good mobile holder which can hold the mobile very tightly and even it doesn't fall. So now I hope you got the answer that why did I chose this expensive mobile holder. In my opinion, once again I am telling you, if you are purchasing this mobile holder charger, then definitely use your mobile with back cover, because in most of the reviews I read that if you use mobiles with glass pack, then definitely you can see cracks and all. I read lots of reviews like this, so I didn't want to take that risk on my mobile, so I used that back cover to protect the back of the mobile. But again, it's good. It's having waterproof plug, waterproof USB, everything is done perfectly as you have seen.